I am pushing the cart. I am looking around. I am choosing fruits. I am picking vegetables. I am checking the list. I am carrying the bag. I am walking slowly. I am walking together. I am standing outside. I am waiting patiently. I am opening the gate. I am closing the gate. I am crossing the road. I am holding hands. I am watching people. I am watching traffic. I am buying groceries. I am paying the bill. I am packing items. I am entering the shop. I am leaving the shop. I am greeting neighbors. I am talking politely. I am smiling happily. I am feeling fresh. I am enjoying sunshine. I am sitting quietly. I am sitting outside. I am resting briefly. I am drinking water. I am eating snacks. I am sharing snacks. I am helping others. I am following rules. I am staying alert. I am walking carefully. I am watching children. I am playing outside. I am playing together. I am running slowly. I am swinging happily. I am sliding down. I am climbing carefully. I am waiting my turn. I am standing in line. I am visiting the park. I am watching clouds. I am feeling relaxed. I am listening quietly. I am watching birds. I am feeding birds. I am holding the bag. I am carrying boxes. I am moving forward. I am stopping here. I am turning left. I am turning right. I am finding shade. I am sitting on bench. I am tying a knot. I am opening a bottle. I am closing a bottle. I am checking time. I am looking ahead. I am watching signals. I am crossing safely. I am walking home. I am going outside. I am coming back. I am enjoying fresh air. I am feeling happy. I am staying calm. I am helping family. I am shopping outside. I am choosing items. I am picking fruits. I am placing items. I am carrying groceries. I am returning home.